Welcome back. Now, in the last section, we finished on setting up the database connection. So, we'll look at building the front end. So, we have already covered part of this, but we are just going to build on top of what we have. So, creating the homepage layout. So far we just have a template, and I'll need first to start the server. Let me just give it a few minutes, actually just a short while. So I need to start my SQL database. Also need to start Apache Web Server. Okay, so I just need to go to my browser and just type localhost, then we're interested with blog. So there's this file called blog.html, which when we just click on it, it renders this HTML blog template, and we just need now to incorporate PHP into this template. So according to our guide, we're supposed first to create the home page layout. So basically this is the layout, and we have already covered that, so we will not dwell much on that. So the next one is displaying recent blog post dynamically from the database. So I think we'll now focus on this area. Now, how do we achieve that? First I need to open the Sublime and just locate the blog folder. So I'll say file, open, then I'll go to the htdocs. If you're on Windows it will be slightly different, but just the initial series I'd already covered how you can access the htdocs, and then you can get to your blog folder. So I need you to open this folder on your Sublime editor. So once you have opened it, there's this file called blog.html. So I just need you to create another file called index.php. Any file in PHP, index.php is the initial file to be executed on a PHP server. So if now I just remove this bit for blog and just run, it will run the index.php. You can also include it here, index.php. It will still render the same file. So just to confirm that, let's just have a PHP syntax here. So let's say we echo the word test. So if I refresh, it will echo the word test. So you also don't need to write index.php, you can just have it as that, localhost/blog. It will still show the same, it will still render the same file, since PHP renders index.php as a file is the first file to be executed. So at least that's index.php. But now we don't need this particular sample .php file. So we just need to copy the blog, everything that is inside the blog file, just copy. So you'll just press Ctrl A to select all, or Command A if you're using a Mac, then Command C or Ctrl C. Then you go to the index.php file and you paste, then you save. So if we now refresh, you can see our blog is just being rendered there. So now we need now to open the database. So for us to do that, you just type localhost /php my admin. So that's what you need. So this will open the database, and our database will select this one called blog. Now we have several tables. One is the users table, the post table, and the category table. And we look here at our blog here, you can see this is the categories, then these are posts. This is the first one, there's another one here, more text on the blog. So we'll try to recreate this, but now this time reading data from the database. So we'll pick up from there in our next series.